Greetings, fellow Ambazonians. Na me, the Ambazonia Defense Forces Deputy Defense Chief, Capo Daniel Sense Pasking, I don't come for now. I want me gonna take a listen for these two audio them. And hopefully it go open una eyes and it go make una go be wise. Because we go wait until una go be wise before we get the freedom. Go up, come down. Something that they will need for overcome them collectively before we be capable for put ourselves in a position where things that will work out fine as na God down ordained this struggle. Independence go come, freedom go come. It don't matter na how long it go take. And how long it go take, it go depend on our people. Just like how long it be take for the Israelite them, where they be come up for Egypt, for reach for the promised land. They be spend plenty time waka all around desert till the generation where they be strong head, they be fall before they be fit cross enter for their freedom. So we for Southern Cameroon, now we did delay our independence when we allow ourselves to be toasted like a sail, like a sail, they be toasted by wave for water up and down, like roller coaster. When I listen for these two audio, the first one now for Christopher Anu of the Splinter IG group, and then when I go listen for the other one, where they come up for Sako from his own spokesperson now, na Nylon Paul. So when I take a listen.
We are shutting down every school in Ambazonia till further notice.
So now Christopher Anu that after they keep picking for Insta Bamenda, if we could talk say them they shut down school them. That means say they go close school them. Any Ambazonian fighter away there for ground, he go hear the one, hear the way they talk and voice is sharp. If he come out go say one go lock school with picking and day for day and man no go know what way it go happen. Make una no begin deceive una self. Say when some voice it become very strong and also don't stay for slavery for a long time, it confuse we. We dey for this struggle all together for freedom. But we must be wise and not be misled by people the way they call themselves, say there be something where they no be. So I want me go and listen for the other audio where they come out na so for the same group, the Splinter IG group or the IG group for Sako. When I listen for the spokesperson now, because he and Sako and Chris Ano they get problem, they fight because of one that woman way Mbandam, if he talks na he hand pick him, send him for me begin the help the Sako, I ringwa. They get problem. So Chris Ano dan come out talk say me then they go short school, then they go close all school them. Sako na dan come out talk say they no go close school. When I listen.
Out concerning schools. There will be no general lockdown for schools. I repeat, you don't talk say there will be no general lockdown for schools.
So for the same group, one person in the talk say me then get locked down. Then the other one, Sako, he talk to say me then no go be a lockdown for school. So they focus now for school. So may I play on the other audio, the one na the Cameroon shit no wipe last. They call this one na Kuniam titles. He work with the Cameroon military, na their propagandists. Now he do the dirty job for the cover up for the killing of babies by the Cameroon terrorist military. Now listen for Kuniam titles also.
Good day, fellow Ambazonians. Don't come again. For all the restoration forces, all the county heads, LGAs, commanders, field marshal, foot soldiers on ground zero, especially for Northwest, Mezam, especially Buingoketunja, are the announced 100 days indefinite lockdown just for the northern zone, Savannah area. They must lock down for that baby tato. Well, La Republic terrorists. They don't kill them.
Wanna hear?
Lockdown.
This is what.
No man, no they come out outside. If you show your head for outside, we'll go shoot them. If you come out say you want peace, we'll go shoot them. If you.
So, no be some loving thing. This is very serious. When I don't see how our revolution, some individual that don't make them become a loving stock. Now a loving stock, and sometimes our reaction also for Instagram zero it become a loving stock. When I follow people them, when I need in mind what and wait to come out the restoration forces they don't give generic name. The reason why they give generic name not just because they want to get that aggrandizement for be able to do the mafia way they do them. No be because they want to control any force or do anything, not just for gain legitimacy. No be say they actually want to do the hard work for get soldier them meet and liberate the country. If they send message, Chris Ano do wake up talk, lockdown, close schools, give order for people them. Any man picking if you go do some kind things and for the way no man of you be responsible for. You go bring with shame. It put all my life at risk. Wait till at one point and for now. When I see Chris Ano dan come out talk say lock that me then go close school them. He talk na say me then go close school them. Sako dan come out talk say me then no go close school. Then La Republic their kunyam titles. He dan come out they make na mockery. Say me then lock on 100 days. Because for lock our school them now, like the governing council he dan talk, it no be appropriate. The appropriate action na for carry out action them against La Republic their military. How we do and for Bamenda, for Rendezvous and for Ben and Bruce, and also for Bengui Road. With the joint operation we carry on together with General Okoro, we led by General Okoro. Now the right thing that for target the Cameroon their military they kill our people. Now Cameroon interest, say me wa picking they come up for Bamenda, come up for all Ambazonia, go begin go school for their territory them. They don't even open school them for inside Bafusam for bring our picking them for day. The picking the answer begin return since the governing council it changed the policy for talk say it go give community school status for private and mission school the way they apply and accept for abide with Ambazonian liberation policy them. Picking they don't come back. Now La Republique du Cameroon they systematically attack students them. So instead for we for talk say like how we Silas be talk when they want them for attack was school picking them for the use strategy them for discourage picking them in and no go for school me the favor on their own side them. Make we instead show La Republique say we'll be stronger. For tell our picking they say we'll not go for community school. Why we close all Cameroon government school? Because this fight not be against our picking their studies, not be against school. The school boycott now a symbolic thing for reject La Republique their institution. So our own school them, when our Ambazonian school they need for go ahead. They need for go ahead. When would the drive and would the instead send our picking them for La Republique, me then go be francophonized when I think we would fight against. So we must be reasonable. Common sense must be amongst we. This Chris Ano and Sako their thing where they don't go kidnap Seseko, a institution where it to be that make a mistake for toxic create government in the middle of a liberation war. Now a very strong opium where it destroys struggle. Nothing where they be done one way. And our people they must learn to overcome this obstacle. Otherwise, we will make a fool of ourselves in front of the international community, and they go she don't quiet the way we onto this foolishness go finish. So we know say they don't ignore Ground Zero, don't ignore which way the Chris Ano talk. It talk no be because it go hella we. There is no consultation. There have been no well thought out whether a strategy will go hella we or not. As a matter of fact, Chris Ano no say this thing that they destroy the struggle. Because if he analyzed the lockdown way began before, he says that it talks say it be destroy things them. So he know. But they did not do them just simply because they want to get power, they want to get ability to collect money, because from the argument they see him, Chris Ano no be work, he no be work for a long time. Sako to dan try pastor work, he dan passy. They rely 100% for this struggle, for get their rents, for get their money for their car, for chop. Would they see the audio them? So we not allow ourselves for be misused like toys in the hands of jobless pastors. This Tuesday, school or community school or school where they don't get community school status, they go. May go now go, but why are they bring these things in? I can show now the need for we to overcome this nonsense. The only way they use our fighting our people and for confusing this thing, government. When I need to understand, say, no legitimate government never be created. Now me, Capo Daniel, I be one of the people the way we create the IG. It is not a government. I may not begin the fear when somebody use the word government, president, because of our history with La Republique and the mindset of our people, then be vulnerable for easily be deceived. But when I listen for sound knowledge, well thought out plan way go hella way for free way for Ambazonia. Now you way the governing council, it is still retaliate. Say this me school them, the community school that they continue the way they continue. Me all general and commander them will not ignore people the way they need to talk things where it go benefit we. But they don't talk things for their own personal belay politics. So me gonna do the right thing for our picking them, and me will continue to fight La Republique the how we fight them. Now La Republique be our enemy. and make no boy in no go carry any gun go enter for school say one go attack students, attack teachers. We record the one way it don't happen for inside Bui, who would already negotiate. We'll be happy say the commander way there for SOP, he don't release some picking some teacher the way he be catch them because they go for school with the hope say it to go camp for understanding as we work for the background. Do one know before for chastising for public because we engage with you already privately. But make no man in no go arrest any teacher for private school unless na government school it don't be banned. Any teacher may no go arrest it because for arrest take away person in liberty. Now a very big responsibility. We must use appropriate and measured strategy for enforce thing we go protect the integrity for the freedom of all Ambazonians. We know what they do in proportional things them, do things we go instead they turn the population against we. When I see the burning of market and palace for inside Balingam, where the splinter IG group where they align themselves, they call themselves to Restoration Force, they don't go burn palace. They burn that palace, they don't think say palace na one no be money own, no be money property. Na property for we all. Na village build palace, no be individual. Time then they would get problem with chief them. If we even move chief, but we no fit move palace. So all these people they don't be misled by this big high sounding words of government we mean nothing at all. Make una learn for ignore them and una follow leadership and structure where you go be effective for bring about independence within the short possible time. Now either way La Republic it focus for use me Capo Daniel, Ayabacho, ADF for sabotage we for blackmail we so that me una not listen because now we hold the key for una freedom. Once una start listening for sound knowledge, no matter how long it go take una, we day for day, shake you know day, all money place a day. Like how we talk for ADF every day. Shake you know day, we no go blink. So why would we wait una me the few zamzam the way they don't be misled, me then realize themselves, and those who they don't hear all those lies and dirty politics for Cristiano and Sako for blackmail other people them. Once una eye go clear, una we can join we will begin go for the right path. For the meantime, they say it take only 1% of the population where them be dedicated for free ourselves. Would that meet other 1%? So make una eye them clear. When I realize and say these people them, they not be consistent. They need to do things for the betterment of Ambazonia or for the interest of our people, but they do work now for their own personal benefit. They not be motivated for things the way you go to put the liberation forward. Then just be now for their own group ideology. The infighting where they cause them, the insider attack. Now because if you pay that people that even 500 they will do anything if you do them. Now weakness I will get them, but nothing we all as a people will need for overcome them. So now here they call that one Secretary Chris, President Sako, IG, government, all those things make you not be carried away. For liberation, I know say it be difficult for people to understand say now organization they feel best represent we during war. The Ambazonia Governing Council no go change itself say it being a government. Now organization where it represent our interests. Now the biggest organization will get them, it get the largest force. Now the group where it don't come for ground recruit so that then train them fine. Now the pioneer for self-defense and now the way that forward. So me all forces them wanna collaborate with the next ADF camp so that it will be disciplined. Population wanna also encourage me all forces them collaborate with the ADF because we get discipline. Our leadership it be responsible for our forces them. It put them in order to protect our interests. Because if you allow people them they align for this splinter IG group for Sako them, they need to get supervision, they need to get advice, they did you use them for embezzle money as we see them every day for internet. Why the boy them they go astray. Even criminal gangs them, the video carry that name to say Restoration Force, like plenty criminal gangs them, cartels them, they don't carry them, they intimidate our people. La Republique also they take their informant them for that DDR center. Also send them in and go kidnap people them. Even without their own boss they are knowing. Because now a loophole. The IG group now a loophole for our revolution. Where the day will pass now inside that door. We need for close them. We need for abandon them completely. The forces the way no one come under any structure will not be independent. King Commando who say day today, he be the carrier for in a government. He said he don't realize, he don't come, he don't be a little bit confused because you don't know if you be things in a government, how you do come up for government, function like a military. General Saga, the biggest group of Fako, then key baby for East Sudan come out, it take order for them, but do the own way. So me gonna shine on an eye. Then keep picking for Boya. Cristiano no talk me then lock school then for Boya because he no get power. But because time be talk say me then do tsunami, me then do hurricane for Boya. No soldier no come off our side. But he know say for we for Bamenda will get hard for the revolution. Anyway then talk people then go to shake, and also they want try for destabilize Bamenda as they be destabilize Boya. Because right now so for the 2 years where they say they want to go negotiate with Pobia for the decentralization way. The way now the scope will be written for even the website for that HD, that Swiss talk. In Nova Waka because they know say we will continue for fight for independence. So their only hope now for destabilize any place who don't get strong hold for they. So that means 4-2, they easily go surrender we for La Republic. So we gonna wise up for Ground Zero, wanna do the right thing, wanna ignore this confusion is the way they don't make a mockery out of we. Yes, na a mockery. Wanna see her kunyam titles the glad. Na be La Republic the agent, wanna see her glad. So we gonna wise up for Ground Zero. God bless una na una pikin, una own countryman, una village hero, Capo Daniel, sense pasking. So I trace salute for all una for Ground Zero, una did work hard, buy and sell a woman, then we day together. Make una no begin listen for this corrupt individual them. Was Sansan boy them, boy they did mash blocks for village. Now una the whole economy. Me una no mind anything where these people they come big name them for until una head big English them. But at the end, they go take una for do to way the same way Pobia they do and would na. Now the same way that people they do for una. God bless una.